Guys, what's up? In this video I will show you how to fix FBS app not working problem. The solution is very easy. First, you just have to go and open the settings of your mobile phone. Click on apps option. Here on your apps option, search for FBS app. Click on it when you will see it. Here you're gonna see this list. Scroll it down. Click on storage option when you find it. Click clear cache here. And right now back, click at for stop and click OK. So come to Play Store or App Store and update FBS app. Of course, if you found the update available, and after updating your app, guys, you need to restart your mobile phone and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribing in this channel. If you have also any question, write it down in comments and see you in another tutorial.